For today's learning work, you are going to dig a little further into what capitalism and communism are. And so you're going to start by adding the 30.2 choosing a side note sheet into your Cold War learning work. And then you are going to read chapter 30.2 and fill in the information on your note sheet. This is what your note sheet looks like. Start by defining what capitalism is and what communism is. And then as you read about it, when you look at capitalism, you're going to look at how the other side saw it. So basically, it's going to be an unfavorable opinion of what capitalism is. And then you're going to define, obviously, communism, and then you're going to show what the other side saw it. And this is also going to be an unfavorable view of what communism is. Then you're going to explain the policy of containment and give an example of what this is like, the idea of it, what the Marshall Plan was, and whether it worked or not. This is a one-word answer where you're going to explain what large nation converted to communism in 1949. And then lastly, you're going to describe how the United States and the Soviet Union would compete during the Cold War. And this is actually a question we're going to come back to several times because there's many things they competed over during this time period. As always, if you have questions, please send me a Schoology message, talk to me in class, or set up a time to meet over WebEx.